How to fix if Facebook app keeps crashing. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store. In Play Store, search Facebook and update your app. If there is update instead of open, update the app. Sometimes not updating the app may cause some problem. After that, simply open Facebook and your problem might be fixed. If it still does not fix your problem, hold on to the Facebook app in your home screen and uninstall it. And after that, install it back again. Another thing you can do is go to Settings, click on System. In System, click on System Updates and make sure there is no update available on your device. Sometimes not updating your whole system might cause problem in some apps. And this is how to fix if Facebook app keeps crashing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.